Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. I'm out in the garage today, and it's been a little while since I give you guys a video, so I figured I'd give you an update of what's been going on around here and why it's kind of been so long in between videos and stuff. Of course, we had the holidays, and I hope everybody else had good holidays. Mine were pretty great. But as a Christmas present to myself, pretty much, I don't know if any of you guys have been following or paying attention. I do a lot of work out in my garage, of course, and there's no insulation in here. So it gets kind of cold out here in the wintertime. And so Christmas present to myself, I kind of got a little bit of insulation to put up in the roof. Just got some foam boards and some plastic wrap. So kind of been out here in the garage messing a little bit in the evenings, by myself, putting up some sheets of foam board and plastic wrap on the ceiling. And it's just been a little bit of a project. I had to take out all of my lights, of course, because all my lights are up in the rafters. And so I pulled all the lights down out of half of the garage and put plastic wrap up on the rafters, and then was hanging some 1-inch foam board up there on the roof to kind of help keep some of the heat in here. Like I said, it don't really bother me working out in the cold. I got a little space heater I turn on and takes the chill off, but I get tired of hearing that thing run, and I feel like as soon as I shut it off, all my heat's gone. So unless it's running all the time, there's literally no heat out here. So like I said, I've got a stack of foam board over here I've been doing, and I also bought some new LED lights and stuff. So I think I got 8 LED lights, put a couple of them up already. This one here is just kind of temporary there for now, so I have some light after I take these ones out, because like I said, I got to take those 2 lights right there out, and then there's 2 more over there I have to take out yet. So, and being wintertime here in Northeast Ohio, I didn't want to be out here working in the dark, so I had to leave half and then do the other half. And of course, to do these LED lights, they all link together, so I had to wire in a new outlet up here so I could plug them all in instead of the lights being hardwired. And then, like I said, I got these 2 right here that aren't turned on yet, but I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to wire another outlet here, and I'll plug this row in, and then back over here will still be just my normal fluorescent lights. So that's just kind of a little bit of an update of what's been going on around here. And like I said, sorry I haven't had any videos to post lately. Like I said, doing all this out here by myself in the evenings after work's kind of taking a little bit of time. But I do have some other projects lined up. So like I said, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure you click the little bell so that you get notifications whenever I do post new videos. But some of the projects that I've got coming up is I've got my 400EX right here. Clutch is starting to slip on it pretty good, and my clutch cable has been, I think, kind of binding up. It's pretty stiff, so I got actually a new lever, new cable, and new clutch and springs and stuff for that, so I need to get that done. The Can-Am, I've got to put a CVT belt on it, and also the rear carrier bearings, starting to get a little bit of play in there. So I have a video putting the bearings and the clutch in that. And then over here on the DRR, it's actually got a little bit of a coolant leak. I'll have to look into that, but I think the water pump is starting to leak. You guys can't see it very good, but yeah, the water pump is starting to leak on the DRR. So I'll have to take that out and put some new seals and stuff in there. So that's a couple of the projects I got coming up. And one of the other things I might be doing is me and my daughter might actually be going and running an indoor motocross race. Go see how I do with that. I don't know if some of you guys may have noticed that I've got some motocross trophies and stuff up here. Lately I've been doing just a little bit of flat track racing and stuff, but I actually haven't raced motocross. So let's see, this was the last year that I raced. So 2016, and like I said, I took second overall that year in the OMA district overall, and so it'll be 5 years since I've actually even rode on a motocross track. So hoping to go out there, and like I said, I'm trying to get my daughter into it a little bit. Like I said, we've been running a little bit of flat track, and so maybe here in the next, I think it's 3 weeks away, maybe 2 or 3 weeks, maybe we'll take the four-wheelers out and make a little weekend video of me and her running some indoor motocross. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy and keep watching, and like I said, make sure you guys hit that bell so you know whenever I post new videos. And like I said, thanks for watching. Everybody have a good day.